Hey everyone, welcome back to Dinner Series Part 3. Today's dinner is simple, wholesome, and super satisfying. We have got soft wheat rotis paired with a comforting lauki dal curry, some boiled eggs for the protein boost, and a refreshing cucumber and radish salad tossed with a pinch of salt and crushed peanuts for the perfect crunch. And of course, a little bit of moringa stocco on the side to bring in that extra burst of flavor. A balanced, nourishing meal to end the day right. See you in the next one. Bye bye.